17, it gives us a function that says, hey, where's the x-intercept of this and where's the y-intercept? Well, we could graph it and find those, but what we're looking for, if we think about it, is the x-intercept. Well, that means where's it hitting the x-axis? So where's it hitting this guy here or here or here or here? Here's what I know. I know that I've gone over some amount. I don't know how much, but what have I gone up? Every single time, you haven't gone up any. The y value is 0. Now, this equation is really y equals. F of x is just a function notation. It's really y equals 6x minus 3. So we know if we're looking for the x-intercept, the y value is 0. So we can actually solve this because y, which is 0, is equal to 6x minus 3. We now solve it by move that over. Divide by 6, divide by 6. It's a half. So I know the x-intercept is a half for the x, and the y value is obviously 0. Now, what about the y-intercept? Well, where's it cross here or here or here or here or here? Well, no matter what, you've gone over none and up something or over none and down something. If you're on any of these spots, your x value is 0. So we know the x value for the y-intercept is 0. So we take the equation, which is y equals 6 times x minus 3, and we plug 0 into that x. So y is equal to 6 times 0, which is 0 minus 3, negative 3. So the y-intercept is x is 0, y is negative 3. For here, again, x-intercept, we're going to let the y be 0. Y-intercept, the x is going to be 0. So I just plug in, because again, this is y equals. So y is 0. So 0 is equal to 2x minus 2. I add my 2 to both sides. 2 is equal to 2x. Divide by 2. 1. So the x-intercept is x is 1. Y is 0. The y-intercept, we let the x be 0. Because again, think about it. Where are we crossing right here? We've gone over none and up something. So we know the x is 0. So y is equal to 2 times x is 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2, negative 2. So it's 0, negative 2. And one more for us. No big deal. Again, x-intercept, we know we'll let the y be 0. For y-intercept, the x value is going to be 0. We've discussed that on the other problems. So this again is y equals, so y is 0 equal to a half x minus 4. Add your 4, add your 4. 4 is equal to a half x. Now, how do we get rid of multiplying by half? Multiply by the reciprocal, 2 over 1. So that side gets multiplied by it, and we get x is 8. So x is 8. The y value is 0. And finally here, x is 0. So y equals 1/2 times 0 minus 4. Y is equal to 0 minus 4. Y equals negative 4. So x is 0. Y is negative 4. There's our solutions.